Here is a quick guide to register or log in at myMRPlace. On the home page, click Login or Get Started button. After giving your email address, read the user agreement and the terms and conditions. To proceed and accept, tick mark the box and click on Continue. Create your password, click I want to offer research services. You will be taken to basic registration. You can provide a name, address, company name, country, and services you offer. After filling in these details, you should be able to give a quote by skipping to the dashboard. We recommend you fill in your profile which has details like company introduction, website, LinkedIn profile of key stakeholders, team members, your infrastructure and resources, photos, deck, etc. In the Get Verified section, you can give client details like email and their name, and myMRPlace will reach out to them and ask for their comments. Their comments and rating will be displayed against your profile when buyers receive your quote, and you will be shown as verified supplier.